Hi, my name's Dave, and I help manage Creston. Together, we sat down and really thought about how we can help our customers move the competitive needle and capture more market share. Because more market share means more production. More production means more revenue for you and for us. The idea is simple. The ownership of Creston has retained its earnings within the company. With those liquid assets available to invest, how can we make doing business with Creston an actual advantage? Here's where the Creston Advantage was born and why it needs to matter to you. It provides 5 major benefits we are positive our competition cannot match. First, a 6-month price freeze on all purchases. It reduces your daily administrative costs dramatically. Second, Creston Choice Shipping. Anything we can bring to you via our own shipping fleet, delivered for one flat monthly fee or free, depending on your tier. Third, continuous improvement investment. Your success is our success. We are willing to invest in you, working to provide specific guidance and coaching on critical manufacturing topics beyond the normal assistance we provide in the field of material removal. We are prepared to work with you to help educate your organization on critical topics such as overall equipment effectiveness, machine tool and part changeover, and preventative and proactive maintenance theory. Fourth, rebates. Almost every other competitor we have will try to woo you with fake prices that they simply cannot maintain. But they want to incent your business, and so do we. The first rebate is on every dollar you spend, up to 1% per annum. The second rebate is the one that matters, a give back of up to 5% for all of your growth with us. That means if you're a new customer, you can earn 1% on $1, 5% on your growth, which is a total of 6% just by doing business with us. Fifth, extended payment terms. Seriously extended. Up to 75 days extended, making us a major contributor to helping you shoulder the massive cash needed to operate your business. Of course, there is a fair amount of detail to the program, but bottom line, it is designed to help your cash go further, improve your competitive position, and solidify Creston Industrial as an indispensable partner in your procurement process. In exchange for these awesome benefits, we ask just one thing: the opportunity to bid on your industrial spend. You have no duty to buy, but only a duty to give us a shot to bid on things where we know that we can be competitive, but you may not think of us for, such as personal protective equipment, hydraulic and pneumatic fittings, saws, fluids, and many others. Please click the link below for more information or contact your local Creston sales representative. Thank you.